Well, you make an interesting point there, though, Woody, because since this is elimination matchup, they have to put their best bases right now so that they don't get eliminated. And here we have the P.E.K.K.A. Smash style attack that we seen from KOG quite a lot yesterday, but I think HT Family are very proficient with this as well, so we'll have to see whether any of the entries are baited to defend this attack.
Well, out of all the players that competed in the pre-qualifiers, Rousi was really tied only with Gui from Darkest Muzan for having the lowest hit rate. He only picked up a single 3-star out of the 5 wars, but man, has he turned it around. Yesterday, he got back-to-back triples, and so has really got a swingy reputation from this month so far. But a 3-star is going to be exactly what he's aiming for. That would keep GKKOG ahead still by the tiniest of slimmest margins. A Warden Walk, not quite as much seen as the Queen charges, but still very effective for long-range shots at buildings that are a little bit more penetrable in that base. Manages to get there and launches the main phase going in now.
Yes, because let's remember, the Archer Queen can reach 3 tiles in gap behind a wall, but the Grand Warden can actually reach 4. He has a greater range, so that's why you often use him, and he's very easy to funnel. You could see he moved right on in towards the P.E.K.K.A.s once they were deployed, or the Queen was deployed, and everything into the center of the base. The jump spells down. The healers are sticking with the main pack, which is good, but honestly, the one healer moving down to this... Right as I say that, a Black Bomb takes it out, but that was pretty good to keep that P.E.K.K.A. down to the 6 o'clock area, well in health, and he's moving through this base pretty smoothly, Woody.
Yeah, he is hurdling ledges like a pro-Olympian athlete. Lots of tiny compartments packed in the middle, but that makes this base very vulnerable to jump spells, just hopping right over and spreading out awesomely. Great protection for the world champion out on the left side as you see Lassie keeping her nice and safe. Meanwhile, up top, the remaining heroes with the Grand Warden, Archer Queen, still firing away at all the defenses. This base has been completely gutted, and he's still holding onto a couple of hero abilities as well as a few more troops for the finishing blow. GKKOG will keep their position on top as we launch into the last salvo of attacks from both of these clans.
Trying to bring any sort of mental game into this KOG. You did mention, Woody, that we've seen a greater proportion in air attacks. Ground has had a higher hit rate. As you see there, the 3 stars easily